So let's go over the upper respiratory tract. ठीक है? So it consists of your nostrils, your paranasal sinuses, oropharynx, and the pharynx, and then the larynx. So we'll go through each one of these one by one quickly. अब nostrils की अगर बात करें तो they are the external opening जहाँ से air internal organs तक पहुँचती है. For example, to the lungs via the trachea. अब nostrils क्या करते हैं? They filter the air that enters them by blocking dust and dirt. An internal part of the nostrils is provided with hair and mucus, जिसकी वजह से जो भी solid debris होती है वो lungs में enter होने से रुक जाती है. Moving on to your paranasal sinuses. These are air spaces surrounding the nostrils, ठीक है ना? And they are lined with respiratory epithelium. अब ये जो स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं दे आर पेयर्ड एंड फोर इन नंबर एंड जो इनकी डिफरेंट प्लेसमेंट्स होती हैं वो होती हैं नंबर वन सराउंडिंग द नेजल कैविटी विच इज कॉल्ड द मैक्सिलरी साइनसेस. Then you have them above the eyes, which is called the frontal sinuses. You have them between the eyes, which is called ethmoid sinuses, and also behind the ethmoid bone, which is called sphenoid sinuses. देन अगर इनके फंक्शन की बात करें तो दे डिक्रीज द मास ऑफ बोन इन द स्कल, thus decreasing the weight of the skull. And they are also thought to balance pressure within the head by trapping air in these spaces. Okay, so moving on to the turbinates and the septum. Turbinates क्या होते हैं? They are ridges जो कि mucous membrane से lined होते हैं and they are made of bone. And basically इनका काम ये होता है कि they warm the air that enters the nostril and are present on each side of the nose. ठीक है ना? और septum वो dividing line होती है between the two nostrils that divides the nostrils into two chambers and it is made up of bone and cartilage. ठीक है ना? So here is the septum in blue is a thin wall made of cartilage and bone. It divides the inside of the nose into two chambers. यहाँ पे आपके mucous membranes हैं which warm the air that you breathe in and also moisten it. ठीक है ना? And these are your sinuses. ठीक है ना? They are hollow air filled chambers in the bones around your nose. And these right here are your turbinates on each side of the nose, and they are curved bony ridges lined with mucous membranes. So, lastly, moving on to the oropharynx, which connects the back of the mouth and the nose to the esophagus. अब ये muscular tube होती है which is lined with a mucous membrane and is part of both the respiratory and digestive system क्योंकि nose से भी connected है और esophagus और mouth से भी connected है. The top section of the pharynx is an air passage that connects the nasal cavity to the region behind the soft palate of the mouth. और फिर मिडल सेक्शन होता है विच इज अ पैसेज फॉर बोथ एयर एंड फूड एंड एंड्स बिलो द टंग. दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड नेवर ईट फूड व्हाइल यू आर लेइंग डाउन क्योंकि दैट इज अ पैसेज फॉर बोथ एयर एंड फूड. तो गलती से आपका फूड जो है वो आपकी सांस की नानी में भी जा सकता है. The lower section is for food only and lies behind and to each side of the larynx, your voice box. Then you have the laryngopharynx, which is where both food and air pass, and it can be found between the larynx and the esophagus, and it helps guide food and air where they need to go. ठीक है ना? अब these are part of the this is part of the pharynx and it is lined with a smooth mucous membrane. At the back of the larynx, the anterior wall of the laryngopharynx is present. ठीक है? And साथ साथ जैसे मैं बताता जा रहा हूँ, you should look at this image. You should pause the video, look at this image, and you should follow along with the words and you should identify the structures ताकि आपको याद रहे. And lastly, we have the larynx, which connects the pharynx to the trachea. This is tough and flexible, or that is because it prevents food from entering the larynx. And lastly, आपका आ जाता है epiglottis, which is a cartilage that is muscularly controlled. It serves as a lid that automatically covers the larynx during the act of swallowing, which is why आपका खाना आपकी सांस की लानी में नहीं जाता when you are swallowing your food. The epiglottis normally resides in an upright position. ठीक है ना? And it falls down when you are swallowing.